To be guided with blessings in today's activity, let us call on Technical Surgeon Edgardo P. Musted, Tactical NCO, to lead us in prayer.
May all rise. Let's all bow down our heads and feel the presence of the Lord.
First Department of Military Science and Tactics, Central Ilocandia College of Science and Technology, ROTC Unit. Pursuant to provision AFP G310-021 General Quarters Armed Forces of the Philippines dated 27 August 1985, as amended as injunction with the mandated of RA 9163. Following name, Advanced ROTC Cadets Officers of Central Ilocandia College of Science and Technology, ROTC Units.
In halls of learning, bright and bold, a story of a teacher told. Dokyari name we hold so dear, a guiding light year after year. Dokyari shining star so bright, a beacon in the darkest night, with heart so kind and spirit free, and the inspiration for you and me. God-fearing soul, generous hand, across the school, across the land, kind-hearted, loving through and through, understanding in all you do. On pleasant mounts you stand so tall, a leader answering freedom's call. Calm and heavy work is done, a brighter future has begun. An instrument of grace and light, leading students towards the light. Dokyari blessed and so true, the best in us we find in you.
The duties of my position as ROTC training staff of CICOSAT ROTC unit. So help me God. Congratulations.
Let's give them a round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests, respected officers, to all the tactical instructors, and all the members and staff embodying the CICOSAT ROTC unit, and most especially our cadets and training staff. Today, we are gathered for a very meaningful occasion, the donning of ranks, turnover of course commander, and the oath-taking of our ROTC training staff. This is not just a ceremonial activity, but a solemn reminder of the values of leadership, discipline, responsibility, and service to our country. To our new Corps Commander and staff, wearing those ranks is not merely an honor, but a call to serve, a duty to lead with integrity, to inspire your fellow cadets and cadets, and to embody the principles of honor, patriotism, and duty. These ranks on your shoulders symbolize the trust and confidence bestowed upon you, not only by your superiors, but also by the entire cadet corps who look up to you for your guidance. As your NSTP coordinator of this prestigious CCASAT colleges, I urge you to remember that true leadership is not about authority, but about service. It is about being the first to rise, the last to rest, and the one who can carry the weight of accountability with humility. The experiences you gain here will shape you into future leaders. Not only in the armed service should you choose the path, but also in your communities, your professions, and in the nation at large. To our outgoing Corps Commander and staff who've been part of my circles as part of the student body organization and the CCAS at ROTC unit, I'm so proud of you. You raised the banner so well. Thank you with sincerity for your service, dedication, and sacrifices. You have laid down a strong foundation of discipline and camaraderie, one that new officers must now continue and build upon. Lastly, to all our cadets and cadets, let this event be an inspiration. Whether you serve as a staff officer or as a member of the Corps, your role matters. The discipline you practice, the unity you foster, and the service you render will prepare you for the greater challenges beyond these walls. On behalf of the institution, I congratulate our newly installed Corps Commander and staff. May you live up to the ideals of ROTC, and may your leadership shine as a beacon of patriotism and service. Again, to all of you, mabuhay kayong lahat, mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino, mabuhay ang ROTC. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you for that inspiring message, sir.
Other faculty members present here today, magandang hapon sa ating lahat. It is both my honor and the unit that I belong to, the 702nd Infantry Defender Brigade, as the privilege to stand before you and speak for this meaningful ceremony for the joint downing of ranks, turnover of Corps Commander, and the oath-taking of the newly ROTC training staff.
As we come to an end of today's ceremony, let us first sing and listen Sikusat College hymn and followed by the singing of Pilipinas Kong Mahal.
Ikaw,